If you can't do this, you might have weak hips. So try these 5 hip exercises to strengthen those hips and bulletproof them for the rest of your life. The deep resting lunge with a lift off. This is going to strengthen the hip in a lengthened position. The 90-90 switch. This is going to strengthen the internal and external rotation of your hips. Move slow with intention. Do this for about 10 reps before your next workout. Hip hurdles. This will improve your hip mobility and control. The elevated clamshell. This is going to strengthen the glute medius, which helps with external rotation of the hip. Hip flexor lifts. Do this for about 10 reps for 3 sets. This is going to strengthen the hips in a shortened position.